Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about logarithm of numbers. And in logarithm of numbers, we need to know that we have logarithm of numbers when they multiply them. That's multiplying of logarithm numbers, dividing of logarithm number, logarithm of number raised to a power, and logarithm of number raised to fraction. And I will be showing you the format in which they appear. Okay, now when we talk about multiplying of logarithm numbers, they appear in this way. Let's say we have 29.04 times 342.1. So they appear in this way. You can see we are multiplying them with the use of multiplication sign. When we talk about dividing of logarithm numbers, they appear in this way: 0.4 divided by 342.1. Okay, now when we talk about logarithm of number raised to a power, that's when you see something like this: 29.04 raised to power 2. Okay, you can see it's raised to a power. And also logarithm of number raised to fraction, that is when we talk about 29.04 raised to power 2 divided by 3. Now look at it, it raised to what? To a fraction. Okay, now in logarithm of numbers, I want you to know that multiplication sign is equal to addition and a division sign equal to subtraction. Okay, now having known the format in which they appear, now let's take them one after the other. Okay, now let's talk about multiplying of logarithm numbers. Now this is a particular question and we're going to be solving this together. Now these are the numbers. Let's fix them in here. 5.427. now this is the question. Now what will come to your mind is, what will be the integer and the characteristics? Okay, now look at this. Taking this to a standard form, this will be 3.483 times 10 raised to power what? 10 raised to power 1. Okay, which means it will be 1 point. Okay, you're focusing on the what? On the power, so it will be 1 point. Now look at this. Taking this to a standard form, it will be 5.427 times 10 raised to power what? 0. So this will be 0 point. Now what's the question here? You'll be asked to, you're meant to look for 34 under its difference 3, which will give us 5420 in total. Okay, now this will be 54 under to difference 7, which will give us 7346. Now having got the answers to these, now which sign joins them? The multiplication sign. Okay, now I told you earlier that the multiplication sign in logarithm, it means addition. So it means we're going to be adding this together. Okay, now let's add this together. We have 0 plus 6 gives us what? Gives us 6. Okay, 2 plus 4 gives us 6. Okay, 4 plus 3 gives us what? Gives us 7. Okay, then 5 plus 7 gives us what? Gives us 12. 2. You take the 1. Now you have 1 plus 1. What does it give you? It gives you 2. Okay, now this is it. So you're meant to what? To find the what? To find the antilog. To find the what? You're looking for the antilog now. Now looking for the antilog, what will you be looking for? You'll be looking for 0.27 under 6 difference what? Difference 6. Okay, and this gives you 1891. Now, having known the antilog of this, now the question is, where will the point be? Okay, you don't know where the point will be. Now the point will be based on these 2 points. Okay, it will be based on the 2 points. Now it means it will be here. Okay, it will be here, which means 1, 2. Okay, so it will be here. Now this is the solution to this particular problem. Okay, so guys, having known the first part of this, let's talk about dividing of logarithm numbers. Now this is a particular question. Okay, so we're going to be solving this. Now we have 4, 5, 6, 2 and 98.76. Now I told you guys that you have to take this to standard form. Okay, now it will be 4.562 times 10 raised to power 3. That means you've taken it to standard form. So we are focusing on the power. So this will be 3 points. Okay, taking this to standard form, we have 9.876 times 10 raised to power what? 10 raised to power 1. Okay, we're focusing on the power, so we have 1 point. Okay, now this is a division sign. Okay, now so we are looking at 45 under 6 difference what? Difference 2. Okay, now what's that giving us? It's giving us 4592. Okay, now also this we'll be looking for 98 under 7 difference what? Difference 6, which will be giving us 9946. Okay, now remember I told you guys that in logarithm division sign equal what? Equal minus. Okay, so we are subtracting this. Okay, now 2 minus 6, it's impossible, so we have to borrow 1 here. Okay, so we have 12 minus 6, this gives us 6. Now this is now 8, so 8 minus 4 gives us 4. Okay, now 5 minus 9, it's impossible, so we have to borrow 1. So 15 minus 9 gives us 6. Okay, now this remains what? This remains 5. Now you're lending 1 here. Do you know why? Because this cannot minus this. Okay, so 15 minus 9 still gives us 6. Now remember, you removed 1 from here, so this is automatically 2. So 2 minus 1 gives us what? Gives us 1. Okay, now you look for the what? You look for the antilog. Now the antilog will be 0.66 under 4 difference 6. Okay, so what is this going to give you? It will give us 4619. Okay, 4619. Now we don't know where the point will be. Okay, now so this is 1, right? Now taking this to standard form for it to give us 1 will be what? You know, this will be 46.19. So if you take this to standard form, it will give us 4.619 times 10 raised to power what? 10 raised to power 1. Okay, so it means this is the form. It will be in this form. So the point is going to be here. Okay, now this is the answer to this particular question. And do you know the beauty of this? If you use your calculator to divide this and this, it will definitely give you this answer.